Welcome to today's video. Let's continue with lesson 16 of the 30 days series on mastering 1000 vocabulary words. Let's get started. Interesting. Interesting, mean. Someone or something that is interesting keeps your attention because he, she, or it is unusual, exciting, or has a lot of ideas. Use interesting in a sentence. Please continue with your story. It's really interesting. Learning a foreign language is interesting. What an interesting book. International. International, mean. Involving more than one country. Use international in a sentence. That was an international congress of mathematicians. I plan to pursue a career in international finance. This is an international community. Interview. Interview, mean. A meeting in which someone asks you questions to see if you are suitable for a job or course, to ask someone questions in an interview. Use interview in a sentence. I have a job interview today at 2:30. How was the interview? I'd like to interview your CEO. Into. Into, mean. To the inside or middle of a place, container, area, etc. Use into in a sentence. The football match went into extra time. She was forced into early retirement. We need to look further into this matter. Investment. Investment, mean. The act of putting money, effort, time, etc. into something to make a profit or get an advantage, or the money, effort, time, etc. used to do this. Use investment in a sentence. We made some bad investments. I bought this house as an investment. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Involve. Involve, mean. If an activity, situation, etc. involves something, that thing is a part of the activity, etc. Use involve in a sentence. I don't want to be involved in this affair. The job involves gathering and analyzing data. He was indirectly involved in the robbery. Issue. Issue, mean. A subject or problem that people are thinking and talking about, to produce or provide something official. Use issue in a sentence. What do you think about that issue? We have important issues to discuss. The magazine is issued twice a month. It, mean. Abbreviation for information technology, used as the subject of a verb, or the object of a verb or preposition, to refer to a thing, animal, situation, or idea that has already been mentioned. Use it in a sentence. I only found it by accident. Don't put it on my desk. Do you know who made it? Item. Item, mean. Something that is part of a list or group of things. Use item in a sentence. Please check all the items on this list. I need the following items. These items are hard to obtain. It's mean. Belonging to or relating to something that has already been mentioned. Use it's in a sentence. Each region has its own customs. Please put it back in its place. Every bird builds its own nest. Itself. Mean. Used when the subject of the verb is it and the object is the same thing, animal, situation, or idea. Use itself in a sentence. The cat is licking itself. The pain will go away by itself within a few days. Be patient and the situation may resolve itself. Job. Mean. The regular work that a person does to earn money. Use job in a sentence. Good job. He's trying to get a job. I think it's time for me to get a new job. Join. Mean. To connect or fasten things together. Use join in a sentence. She was invited to join Peace Congress. I'd like to join your group. I'd like to join your group. Just mean. Now, very soon, or very recently. Use just in a sentence. Don't take it seriously. I'm just joking. The journey has just begun. He's just arrived. Keep. Mean. To have or continue to have in your possession. Use keep in a sentence. Please keep off the grass. Keep your head high, keep your chin up, and most importantly, keep smiling. Please keep in touch. Key. Mean. A piece of metal that has been cut into a special shape and is used for opening or closing a lock, starting a car engine, etc. Very important and having a lot of influence on other people or things. Use key in a sentence. Self-confidence is the key to success. Education is the key to success. She inserted the key into the lock and opened the door. Kid. Mean. A child, to say something is a joke, often making someone believe something that is not true. Use kid in a sentence. The kids are watching cartoons on the Disney Channel. Our kids don't want to live in the countryside. Kill. Mean. To cause someone or something to die. Use kill in a sentence. Cancer kills thousands of people every year. At the moment, I am trying to kill time. He tried to kill himself with sleeping pills. Kind. Mean. A group with similar characteristics, or a particular type, generous, helpful, and thinking about other people's feelings. Use kind in a sentence. He is very kind. She isn't kind to him. In fact, she's not kind to anyone. What kind of wine do you have? Kitchen. Kitchen, mean. A room where food is kept, prepared, and cooked and where the dishes are washed. Use kitchen in a sentence. There are 4 chairs in our kitchen. I never thought it'd be this hard to choose a color to paint the kitchen. There is a cooker in the kitchen. Know. Knowledge, mean. Understanding of or information about a subject that you get by experience or study, either known by one person or by people generally. Use knowledge in a sentence. Her knowledge of world history is extensive. His extensive knowledge surprises me. He has very little knowledge of geography. Land. Land, mean. The surface of the earth that is not covered by water, to cause to arrive on the ground or other surface after moving down through the air. Use land in a sentence. Who owns this land? This land belongs to my father. The plane landed safely. Language. Language, mean. A system of communication consisting of sounds, words, and grammar, or the system of communication used by people in a particular country or type of work. Use language in a sentence. He is able to speak 10 languages. Why are conventional language classes so boring? Learning a foreign language is truly enjoyable. Large. Large, mean. Big in size or amount. Use large in a sentence. His large income enables him to travel abroad every year. He owns a large estate in New York. That old man caught a large fish. Last. Last, mean. The person or thing, after everyone or everything else, being the only one or part that is left, to continue to exist. Use last in a sentence. Nothing lasts forever. A true friendship will last forever. Where did you go last Sunday? Late. Late, mean. Happening or being near the end of a period of time. Use late in a sentence. Better late than never. The school was built in the late 1970s. Can I stay up late tonight? Later. Later, mean. At a time in the future or after the time you have mentioned, happening at a time in the future or after the time you have mentioned. Use later in a sentence. Goodbye. See you later. See you later. Sooner or later, they will tell you the truth.